Breaking news. We're learning the U.S. military carried out airstrikes tonight against Iran-backed militia groups in Iraq and Syria. Let's get right to Monica Alba at the White House. Monica, what do we know?
Late word tonight, the U.S. carried out defensive precision airstrikes against Iran-backed militia groups in the Iraq-Syria border region. The militias are believed to be behind recent drone attacks against U.S. military personnel in Iraq. President Biden ordered the military action according to a Pentagon statement, which says the president has been clear he will act to protect U.S. personnel. And given the ongoing series of attacks by Iran-backed groups targeting U.S. interests in Iraq, the president directed further military action to disrupt and deter such attacks. And returning here to the White House moments ago from a weekend in Camp David, the president ignored our questions on the strikes, indicating he would have more to say tomorrow. The airstrikes were carried out by manned aircraft, Air Force F-15s and F-16s, and a U.S. official tells NBC News they don't expect any additional strikes tonight.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.